Good morning, sir. I myself, Apurva Tiwari of Class 10 is over here to present Moral Science project on the topic truthfulness. Truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtue. It suggests that good qualities in human being cannot be achieved without truthfulness. Truthfulness helps in achieving faith on ourselves or other people. If we are truthful to us, we are truthful to God. We should never tell lie. Telling lie fall us down in the eyes of God. It distinguishes the purity of our heart. It means that if we will tell lie, then our purity of our heart will be decreased, and success in the world of God cannot be possible for us. And even telling lie distinguishes the faith that other people have on us. So we should always be truthful. Without truthfulness, progress and success in all world of God are impossible for any soul. It means that if we want to success in our life, we should be always be truthful. Our soul comes in the world to attend and to know God, but if we tell lie, the purity of our soul is extinguished and the success and progress cannot be possible. In this material world, our soul roams here and there, and to know God. To know God, it comes from in the material world, and if we start telling lie, then its purity will be distinguished, and we cannot success in achieving the God's heaven. So we should not be telling lie. Beautify your tongues, O people, with the truthfulness, and adorn your soul with the ornaments of honesty. We should always tell the truth so that our tongue will be beautiful, not with the appearance, but with the inner view. And we should add on our soul with the ornaments of honesty, when only we can success in our life. If we want to be successful in our life, we should always be truthful so that other people also believe us, and we should and our heart will be pure and good. If we will tell lie, then no one will believe us, and it will also distinguish the purity of our soul. So we should be truthful, and our heart should be honest with the ornament of honesty. Benefits of truthfulness. If we are truthful, we don't have to remember our lines to explain our thing to others. Like if we are telling lie to someone, and if we ask it again, then we have to remember that what we said that day. But if we tell the truth, then we don't have to remember the thing what we told to others. We can just explain our thoughts. We can trust, and we can have trust and faith by being truthful to others. We can also have faith on them, and they will also have faith on ourselves that he is also a truthful person. If we are truthful, opportunities follow our way. If in any job we are truthful, then boss also appreciates us, and he gives us promotion, that he is a faithful person, then we should give him promotion. So we should always be truthful in every opportunities will follow our way. Truthfulness in life is like a bricks kept over each other. If any bricks fall down, all the bricks over it also fall down. In the same way, if we break trust on other, they will not be again believing us even we are telling the truth. If like in the story, cowboy and a ship. Cowboy told lie to the village people that lion has king protect him but in reality there was no lion in the same way. But when he was in danger with the lion, and he goes and tell the truth, but no one believed him because he was a liar. In the same way, we should also be truthful so that others believe us. Truthfulness helps in progress of our soul. It also helps in progress in the spiritual world of God. Truthfulness helps in leaving this material world and reaching the world of God and progressing over there. Thank you.